Hey, what is up guys, Adib here. Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can make MIUI 8 or MIUI 9 look like MIUI 10 on your any Xiaomi device. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see I'm running MIUI 9 and this is the default MIUI 9. So what you gotta do is go in your themes app and here go in the themes section and search for X Lite TT. So as you can see, this is what you have to search for and you'll get this theme. What you have to do is download it from the theme store. So go ahead and download it, and after downloading it, go back to your themes app and now go in my account, go in themes and go ahead and apply this theme. Now go ahead guys and open the themes app once again, and I have linked the limitless theme from the MIUI 10 with live icons in the description, so download that and import that. Now set the icons to limitless, that is the port I have linked in the description down below. So download that and import that and apply it on the icons, and go in favorites tray and apply that theme limitless. And now go back, and I would recommend set the lock screen to the default MIUI lock screen, because with that TT theme few features in the lock screen is not working. So that's it guys, you will see you have this status bar from the MIUI 10 on your Xiaomi device. That looks pretty cool. And yeah, I'm running MIUI 9 but yet it looks like MIUI 10. But you guys are gonna miss the volume panel and the recent panel from the MIUI 10. I didn't found any way to get those running on MIUI 9. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. And this limitless icon also have live icons, as you guys can see. I'm gonna actually take the phone closer to the camera and show you guys these icons are actually live. So yeah, as you can see the icon, it is actually live. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you in the next one.